freedom of our nation.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has claimed that the infant mortality rate in Meghalaya has come down from 33 in 2018 to 29 in 2022. Delivering his Independence Day speech at Polo Grounds, Shillong, he informed that the state is amongst the top 3 states alongside Telangana and Kerala in child immunization. The Early Childhood Development Mission has been launched to tackle the issue of malnutrition among children, he said. Stating that his government is giving highest priority to the economic well-being of women, he further spoke about empowering youth organizations to play a decisive role in making Meghalaya better. In his speech, he also highlighted several schemes initiated by his government for the well-being of the citizens of the state.
In order to be able to reduce the maternal mortality in the long run, we need to empower our women economically. And that's where this journey began for us. A very long journey with so many activities and different programs. We realized that apart from increasing the institutional deliveries, ensuring that the sub-centers and the hospitals and CHCs and PHCs have the facilities, we realized that we need to financially empower our women.